Final caveat for today's and this season's excellent astrology. What happens when the astrology is then bad? Okay, we're having very good astrology right now, but what happens when the astrology is bad? Firstly, let's be very, very clear that the astrology does not own us. Every single person is far more powerful than the astrology. When astrology is good like this, it is easier to tap into the good that we already know and see and feel in ourselves. That said, you can tap into that literally anytime you want. So it's very important to emphasize the fact that this is not happening to you. You are making this happen. And the more you can make this happen consciously through decisions that are difficult, through decisions that require you to be so present, through making new decisions, the better and the easier it's going to be to make this later.